In this video, I'll guide you through how to schedule appointments with Calendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab your scheduling link and share it so people can easily book time with you without all the back and forth messages. Let's start from your Calendly home dashboard. This is the main screen you see when you log into your Calendly account. On this page, you should see a list of your event types. These are the different kinds of meetings people can schedule with you, like a 15-minute chat, a 30-minute meeting, or a specific type of consultation. Each event type has its own availability settings, duration, and any questions you want guests to answer before the meeting. Take a moment to look through your event types and decide which one you want people to use. For example, if you're inviting someone for a quick check-in, you might choose a shorter event, whereas for a more in-depth discussion, you'd choose a longer one. Picking the right event type helps set clear expectations for both you and your invitee. Once you've chosen the event type you want, look for the option labeled Copy Link next to it. This button is what you'll use to get a shareable scheduling link for that specific event. When you click Copy Link, Calendly automatically copies the unique URL for that event type to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the screen, but the link is now ready to paste. If you're not sure it worked, you can quickly paste the link into a blank document or a note just to confirm you see a URL appear. This isn't required, but it can give you peace of mind the first few times you do it. Now that your event link is copied, you're ready to share it. You can paste this link into an email, a text message, or a direct message on any platform where you normally communicate. The key is to put the link somewhere your invitee can easily access and click. If you're sending it by email, you might want to add a short, clear message around it. For example, you could write something like, "Here's my scheduling link. Feel free to pick a time that works best for you," followed by the pasted Calendly link. This gives your invitee context and makes it obvious what the link is for. If you prefer sending it via SMS or a messaging app, keep it simple and friendly. Paste the link right after a short message explaining that they can use it to choose a convenient time. Because Calendly automatically adjusts for time zones based on the invitee's browser settings, they'll see available times in their own local time, which helps avoid confusion. When your invitee clicks the link, they'll be taken to your Calendly booking page for that specific event type. There, they'll see your available dates and times, choose one that works for them, and confirm the booking. Once they schedule, Calendly can send calendar invites and email confirmations depending on how you've set it up. That's all you need to do. From your home dashboard, click the copy link button on your preferred event type, then paste and send that link to your invitee by email, SMS, or direct message. This simple workflow keeps scheduling fast, professional, and organized for both you and the people you meet with.